Hi everyone, this is my friend Doug, and we are getting ready to do a demonstration, and that's me right there. And in this demonstration, we are actually going to break a cinder block over Doug. And you can use this demonstration to talk about a bunch of different things, but we're going to mostly concentrate on conservation of energy. Right here we have a big bed of nails. As you can see, there's a lot of nails in it. And Doug's going to lay down on the bed of nails, and I'm going to put a seat of nails on his chest. And we're going to demonstrate what happens when we try to break that block over his chest. Now he's laying out on a bed of nails. Now there's a lot of nails in there, so we can also use this demonstration to talk about pressure. There's the seat of nails I'm getting ready to put on him. I'm going to put those nails down. And on top of that, I'm going to put this cinder block. And we can use this to talk about momentum, energy, inertia, pressure, but I want to focus on energy. So there's a cinder block. I'm going to put it squarely on that seat of nails. He's going to blindfold himself because he doesn't want to see what's getting ready to happen. And I'm going to hit that cinder block with the sledgehammer. All the work I put in lifting the hammer, I also do some work pushing that hammer down so it's going faster and faster so it shatters that block. It takes a lot of energy to break that concrete block, and that means there's less energy to actually get to Doug. And so he survives it perfectly fine. And he does a little flex there at the end. But all that energy is used up, or most of it is used up, breaking the block. Thank you, and have a good day.